It's me again, Lovelyn Filipina in the Philippines, and for today's video guys, I'm here in the mountain as you can see. So yes, I'm here in the mountain guys. Here, that's my parents is there. So you guys, we have garden here already guys. So my mom is there. So this is our dinner. This is my sister told me this is yum. It's the leaves. Sagla na gay pa?
Kamunggay ni sagol ni.
Ladi ka munggay?
Ako ba't naman mo tindahan?
Go.
Kita na ukra, bati, sagol ni.
May okra.
Kamunggay.
Aw, basta namunga na ng okra diha. Tanahon.
Palit lagi na siya dito.
Ako na siya mani pa.
Sakay mo ko na siya.
My mother is in the garden. So, unsay mo nakita diha ma? Ay sa diha. Unsay mo nakita?
Mangga.
Aw, mangga? Aw, una gito mangga tinay manggas mama nakita ni tubo na. So we have spring onion here. So na uli na Bombay. Unsa man ni inani na nidaan or nitubo na ni? So yes, we have a sweet potato. So we have so many sweet potato. Uy, we have a kuan. Unsa English aning agbati ti? What's the English of the agbati guys? Alugbati. So this is also our alugbati. And so yes, we have a sweet the banana guys. My sister plant this one. Banana. And sweet potatoes again. We're so happy because we have sweet potatoes here. So many sweet potatoes. My sister is planting. So my sister guys is planting. We have okra. So my father is asking, what's that? That's spring onion. Our sweet potatoes that has so many leaves. We have coconut. Also, we have also lemongrass. Lemongrass. We have squash also here. Squash. Squash. So this is our garden, guys. Okra. Small okra. Spring onion. Oh yes. We have also a sa English anang tangkong oy. Aw gay man ni gihapon, gay. Sweet potatoes. So, coconut. Coconut also here. And this is medicine, guys. My mom, my father is there. The coconut. Tumban pa na ako. Oh my gosh. Sorry. We have mango. Mango here. My mom discovered the mango here. My father. And guys, this is the cow and the baby cow. That's the cow of my mom's cousin, our uncle. And she has a baby cow. She has a baby. Look, she has a baby. Hello. My father, guys. Like, we're going to see what he's going to do. He's cooking vegetable. He's cooking vegetable. Well, this is the chickens of my mom, guys. This is not all the chickens, guys. She still have so many chickens in our old house. She just transferred a few here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It has 10 chickens. Oh my gosh, stop fighting. Look, the chicken. There's another cow and my other sister. The other sister, guys. Look, guys, oh, the okra here. Look, guys, the okra here has a look. Eee. No, 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 touch lab. No, no, pangga. I think the leaves, I think it has so many kuan here.
Yeah.
Worms. Why is it looks like this? Why is it looks like this? Ma, naago no ni daghan ud man. Okay ka nang. No, 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 no. No, love, ha? No. Look at the banana. The banana, guys. I love okra. What? What's that?
Ladybug.
Ladybug?
Oh, I like the ladybug.
You like the ladybug? But they eating the leaves of the okra.
Oh, eating it up. Mama, shut up!
May spider? In the mountain again. So, we slept here last night. So, I'm going to show you guys our, you know, situation last night. It's so funny, guys. Like, my sisters, my brothers, me, my daughter, my nephew, my parents is sleeping also inside of the house. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys. Our situation here, guys. Let's sleep here together. Look, guys, oh, it's almost finished. The kitchen part. So it has a already. And there we covered it, guys, because you know it's open. There we also covered it. My nephew, my daughter. Here is the outside, guys. Here is the outside. My father, my mom over there. So let's go to our garden, guys. Look, we cook here. That's our garden over there. We're going to visit our garden here, guys. It has a mass here. Look, our garden. There. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.